Hi guys, welcome to another video by Optionables. My name is Ayush and I am a trader. In this video, we'll discuss Nifty and Bank Nifty's overview for tomorrow's expiry. Before we start with Nifty's overview for tomorrow, there is one thing which we need to observe from the charts, that is that there is an increase in volatility or the expansion. If you see the candles, daily candles before the Thursday's candle, you can see that the candles were very small, and recently after Thursday there is a very big movement compared to the low and the high of the day. So that is one indication that either side the market breaks, whether it is the all-time high side on the upside or in the downside, we can see a trendy move. But talking about Nifty first, Nifty has been acting very strong comparison to Bank Nifty. Like Bank Nifty was not in sync with Nifty for the last full week, and before Thursday also there was weakness in Bank Nifty, but Nifty has always seen a strong. And if we see today also, Nifty has closed around 18,850 or 860, which is just close to the all-time high. So for Nifty, my current view is there's no reason for us to go short on the market considering Nifty's index, because the reason being that the contraction within that range near the all-time high, and again whenever there has been a weakness which is getting a reversal, so that is the first sign that there is some buying support which is coming through. So until and unless Nifty is within 800 645 on the lower side, which is the range support, there is no reason for us to go aggressive short on the market. Or if that level is being touched, we should look for a high risk to reward probable on the long side. And highest chances are that for tomorrow's expiry we can see a gap up, considering the reversal today also, and considering the fact that market is consolidating near to all-time high, and the all-time high level of 18,880, which has been tested 3 times previously on the last swing and currently 2 times. So that makes it very weak. Any level which is tested multiple times, it becomes weak, and once it is broken, we can see a trendy move. So for tomorrow's expiry, the best case scenario to go long will be Nifty opening within 18,880 and 18,640. So that will be a range bound expiry if we open within that, and after opening range bound, if we break on the upside, that will give a very good conclusion for the all-time high. And there's one more case which can happen is, most of the time all-time high levels are mostly broken with a gap up, and those gap up generally don't get filled, they will rally just. So that is one probability. And looking at Nifty, there's no reason for us to go short, but in case if we open within a range and then the market consolidate for 15 to 30 minutes and we see a breakdown, that time we need to be cautious. But for tomorrow's expiry, my main view is that the expiry can happen within 18,645 and 18,880. This was our analysis for Nifty. And now if we talk about Bank Nifty has from Friday seeing a up move, then again we saw a V-shaped down move, and then again a reversal. So the market has been very volatile, and considering the premium, even if you short far OTM which are equal premium, the one candle of 5 minutes is literally making the premium go 20% or 25% up. So there's a lot of adjustment cost happening, and at the same time, if you are wrong with the view, you can get hit very badly. So for tomorrow's expiry, Bank Nifty's view is, if we are within 43,400, we will not go aggressive short on the market. The reason being, yesterday we saw 43,500 being broken, and which was not followed. We saw a V-shaped recovery again. So until and unless 43,500 or 43,400 is broken on the downside, and we see a 15-20 minutes continuation where there is no recovery which has been seen, we will go aggressively short. Otherwise, there is no reason to go short on the market. And there's a saying also that never short a dull market. If you are not comfortable holding a long position, you can sit out of, maybe considering the premiums. If you are not comfortable with the risk which has been associated with the expiry, you can cut your position, re-enter again, and keep doing that rather than getting hit on the side with a larger exposure. And considering the fact tomorrow's expiry, upside we have 44,170 as a resistance level. So for tomorrow's expiry, I mostly trade Bank Nifty. So my view will be that 43,500 on the downside and 44,150 on the upside. If it is the range where we are opening, I will watch these two levels to go aggressively directional either side. But once we go above 44,150, we can see a good short covering rally, or maybe we can see a support from Nifty breaking the all-time high, and which can eventually get followed in Bank Nifty also. So this was our analysis for tomorrow's expiry. If you like this video, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.